Hi everyone, I am Rebecca from ChemKnits, and today I'm going to talk about how I twist my skeins of yarn to store the fiber and make it look super pretty. My skeins happen to have a label on them already, but having this label here should not interfere with our ability to twist it. And it's actually one of the reasons why I like using a ribbon label versus a ball band, because we can open up the skein to look at it and then retwist with ease. I start by taking the skein and inserting my hands sort of on either side like so. Then I will start twisting one of my hands. And I guess as I'm twisting, sometimes I'll have two fingers in there. Right now I guess I have one. And I like to twist clockwise, but I don't think that makes a huge difference. It's just the preference. Same with twisting with my right hand. I'm right-handed, so I think that's why I tend to go that way. Now, once there's a good amount of twist, so it will start to like twist on it itself, I fold it approximately in half and then go to secure the ends inside each other. Now, here where this hand is, my left hand, there is a spot with a little less twist. So sometimes I'll take that and I might twist it around once or twice. And then I'm going to insert the primary end that I was twisting inside that other one. And now, this is not a pretty twisted skein yet. It's still a little blobby, but you can adjust the way that this end goes. And so by pulling and sort of adjusting, you can sort of arrange the way that this twist looks all together, and you get something that looks nice and pretty and ordered. All right, I'm going to demonstrate this again. And I'm going to do just sort of a low level of twist. This is a lot less than I used before. But the reason why you might want more twist is this certainly works, but you can see it's not quite as compact. Having those extra twists, you can't really pull at the yarn quite so easily, but it's not too much tension that it will damage the fibers in any kind of way. So here I'm going, this time I have multiple fingers inside as I'm grabbing it. And yeah, I guess once you start twisting a lot, you'll get a feel for how many twists. I don't even count, I just sort of go for it. And then again, when I take I'm going to insert the blue end inside the green end. Sometimes I will twist the green end one more time before I insert the blue one, because that brings a little more twist up into that top portion. And then I take it and I order the skein. Aha! Now here we have some uneven twists. There's a little more twist here than there is at the end. So what you can do is you can sort of open it up and sort of shift some of the twist around the bottom of that hank, and sort of like manipulate it a little bit to make it look nice and clean and ready to photograph or shop or send to someone as a gift, or to put inside your own stash to use for a project later. Now I'm just going to do this a couple times fast, because when breaking it down it looks like it can take a lot longer, but really I can twist a bunch of these pretty quickly and I actually sort of enjoy it. I think that volume indie dyers who have tons and tons and tons, sometimes we'll get something that will do the twisting for them, because it can probably make your hands sore if you're doing dozens at a time, but when just doing a couple, it's really not bad. Yeah, and I actually find this process pretty soothing, and sometimes things just go right, and as I'm folding it to finish it off, it just sort of perfectly goes in half. Sort of like when I hit the sweet spot with the number of twists. And then other times it needs like a little more work, but I probably for consistency could come up with an optimal number here of some kind, but I haven't bothered. This time I tried to make sure it would go a little wonky, so then you can watch me sort of like pull and twist to sort of fix it. And okay, here it looks a little loose. So can I manipulate some of that twist up and around? And I think if anything, doing some spinning helps you in the end get used to playing around with this. Again, I am Rebecca from ChemKnits, and I hope that you found this video helpful. If there are any other things that I tend to do and take for granted in a lot of my videos, please let me know. I'm happy to film a little short video for it. And make sure that you subscribe to the ChemKnits Tutorials YouTube channel so you can watch me dye lots of stunning, stunning hand-dyed yarn like the ones that I have here. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Bye.